The Umardoo Family Beach Tent Canopy Sunshade. Now this is the portable 10 by 10 foot. It's the large wind-resistant beach shade shelter. It's easy setup, packable. As you can tell here, we took it to the beach. We used it every single day. Super simple to use. There's going to be 4 in total, and there's going to be 2 sections to each pole. Once you get those poles sectioned, you're going to want to go ahead and flatten everything out so you can see it. As you can see here, they are taking the sandbags, the string to them, and they're going to go ahead and tie that material around the tops of the poles. Super easy to do. It took them probably under 3 minutes to get this whole thing up, and we had it last all day long, so that's perfect. As you can tell here, this is what it's going to look like. And then they went ahead and just used the kids' sand shovels to fill up the bags with sand. The bags are super easy. You just put the sand in them, and it's going to be like a drawstring effect. These are what's going to help hold those poles in that tent taut, so it will provide shade all day long. You're going to do that to each corner, and then you're going to be able to just put this up. This is going to have the UPF 50 plus, and it's in the bright blue. Again, we use this every day at the beach. It was fabulous, and it fit anywhere from 6 to 8 people underneath it. We didn't have to move it throughout the day, which was an added bonus for us because we don't have to like to move our tents. Once they're up for the day, and you're good to go.